Good morning! Oh my god. I'd be so happy if I woke up to this every morning. It's like 8:30 in the morning. It's nice and warm. Might head down to the beach. Might just read a book out here. Might go to the boardwalk to ride bikes. Not sure. But man, this is a life. We're going to the boardwalk to do some bike riding. I never get this shot. This is awesome. We just got our bikes at Bike World and now we are ready to ride. It's so much better to ride on the bikes off season because there's like no one around. You can see the Ferris wheel and the beach. Some of these places are still closed. I'm not sure if it's because it's in the morning or if they just don't really open during off season. Oh, that guy's on a mission. I like to get the bike with the basket because I have a lot of stuff and then Dad always puts stuff in there too. Sunscreen advertisement today. I got this shirt on Supergroup's website, and especially now that Pop-Up suffered from skin cancer, I definitely want to promote wearing sunscreen even more. I was already really pro sunscreen before, but yeah, we are out bike riding. We always come to this pier and take pictures. And then, what do you think, Dad? Will we try to get to the end?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh man. And the Bike World guy said that you can, when it's off season after Labor Day, you can ride the bike anytime until 4 p.m. So, like, they close at 4 p.m. I guess you can ride the bike at any time on the boardwalk, but between Memorial Day and Labor Day, you can only ride it until 11 a.m. So that's good to know because Mom and Rach thought they didn't want to come because they would have to get up early. So if there's time another day, we might come later on because we can actually bike ride till 4. So that's pretty cool. Oh my god, this sand makes me nervous. Now we're cooking. Alright, guys, we did it. We made it to the end. Finish! 2¼ miles. So we just have to go all the way back 2¼ miles. And see, 0 miles at the start. Going past Brass Balls Saloon, which is one of Caitlin's favorite places, and it was packed. It's still packed, Dad. Well, it was more packed before. But we're going to make a pit stop at the Kite Loft. We had a nice chat with some people we met at the end of the boardwalk, and so that was a good break for our legs and butt. Now we are going to make a midway stop at the Kite Loft. We made it! We love how they always have so many kites flying. We're in the middle of seagulls and they're gonna attack us. We just wrapped up our bike ride and there's the mural on the street that I want to take pictures of. So just so happened to be the same street. I was like, oh, I want to stop here to take pictures, and then I saw our car, so that worked out perfectly. So here's this mural. And this is on Caroline Street, and then there's a dumpsters right here. Awesome. We're going to Fractured Prune on 28th Street. This coupon is only valid here. I'm so excited. The grand reveal.
Majority of them are chocolate.
Yeah. Ocean City Sand, Oreo, or I guess cookies and cream. Pebble Beach is those two. Morning Buzz. Oh my god, they all look the same. Reese's, Rolo, Apple Crisp, and French Toast. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Here's a pro tip. We got these Go Guide coupon booklets at Crab Alley, and they have $1 off Fractured Prune coupons for like a bunch of locations. The coupon in the Killer Coupons book is only valid for the 28th Street location. We're about to head down to the beach. Rach and I are getting all sunscreened up, but I love seeing everyone's colorful umbrellas, and we're gonna be down there very, very soon. We're walking to the beach, and look, this is the ice skating rink, but it's no ice skating rink no more. But last time we were going to the beach, we had to leave because it was that huge storm.
I'm so excited.
Can't hear anything. Yeah, sunshine. Can't wait to feel the sand on our toes. All these pretty flowers. Oh yeah, Rach. Oh, almost lost my hat. Ow.
That's why I said
It's like rocky. Oh yeah. You can see our hotel. Oh my gosh, everyone's like right here. We're going down further though.
there's like no one.
Yeah. We scoped it out from our room. Warm sound. We have an amazing setup here. All relaxed. I might go into the water in a little bit. What do you think? It's like the perfect weather. I don't know what temperature it is.
I know, but it's nice.
Yeah, not too hot, but with like a slight breeze, but it's not cold. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I wish I lived at the beach. Think it's gonna be cold?
I don't know. I hope so.
Here we go. Ooh, not too cold. It's cold, but it's not too cold. Yeah, refreshing. Whoa! We're getting flooded out. I was not ready. Oh my god. Is there even any shells?
I don't see them here.
Yeah. Oh my god. That really got me, and I got my phone. Oh my god. Worth it.
We're the same. We're both just like... I'm just gonna take off my clothes, but I'm gonna go back.
I'm gonna get a towel and just sit here. When me and Caitlin came here last September, there was like a sandbar. And so you could stand like in the middle of the ocean, it felt like.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. I'm almost done with Becoming. I only have probably like 20 pages left. But we scooted up a little to be closer to the ocean and it is just perfection. I think I might close my eyes for a little afternoon nap. The tide keeps getting higher and higher. We've had to move back like multiple times. We're just having such a good time. We went upstairs to eat lunch a little bit ago. And now we're just like enjoying every second of this perfect beach weather. And I'm almost done with my book. I'm loving it. And it's my mission to finish it today. And then I brought other books to read for the rest of the week. But yeah, Rach is out there having a good time. And she just took some artsy pictures of me for the Instagram. And lots of other people are doing like little beach photo shoots. It's amazing. And yeah, so hopefully we don't have to move back much further, but you can see like the water like just came up right there, so it might get pushed back. I've finished the book. You guys all need to read this. It is so good. I think we are about to head in because the water is about to attack us. So I'm getting ready for tonight and I brought like my whole makeup collection, I swear. Like all this face stuff, then all of my brushes in this brush holder Caitlin made me last year. Is my lens like foggy? I don't know. Is that better? Better or worse? But we are going to Seacrets tonight, which I'm so excited about. We have never been as a family because my sister wasn't 21 before. So, oh my god. I'm so excited to take her there and to see what they think about it. I don't know if my parents have ever been there, but I'm kind of going with like the color scheme of my tassels, like the corals. So I think I'm going to do potentially this ColourPop eyeshadow or maybe the Stila one, maybe some colors in the Huda Beauty orange neon palette because I think that really pulls in that color scheme. But yeah, I just brought so much because I was like, why not? I don't know what I'm going to be in the mood for, and I want to be able to experiment if I want to. So tonight's the night, baby. We're going to Seacrets. And it's just about sunset, so we're going to get some great views. Can't see anything right now, but I promise we will. Rachel's first time at Seacrets! And my parents as well. Wonder what you guys will think. This place is really confusing, so I'll lead the way. We'll go over there. We have to check in to make a reservation though, probably. Rachel got her first pain in the ass. Does it taste like alcohol? Tastes good! I got one too!
Like that part. I think the strawberry is okay.
The strawberry is good? That's what I figured. This is how my eye makeup turned out. What do you think?
Really pretty.
It's sunset inspired, so I want to get some sunset pics. Well, Mom's taking a selfie. Selfie action is strong. This is our view at dinner. Incredible. This is crazy. This is like the best seat in the house. The sky just keeps getting more gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It's literally like the perfect night. Did something else fall on me? Yeah. This tree keeps falling on me and I think it's bugs. But I don't know. I'm scared. Save me. Oh yeah, the food's here. I got the fish tacos. Well, me and Rachel are splitting. but we got the fish tacos with the salsa on the side because I'm allergic to tomatoes. And then the crab toast, which we've heard is incredible. Shout out to Alyssa for recommending this. Dad got the fish tacos with the dressing on the side with the salsa on it, and Mom got the
Crabby jerk chicken.
crabby jerk chicken. That sounds great. And she loves their 7 and 7s with
Seacrets whiskey.
Seacrets whiskey and ginger ale.
Yeah, I got it with ginger ale. You can get it with 7-Up.
So she's getting another one of those, and we're still working on our pain in the asses. Bye, Seacrets. It is so awesome here. Oh my gosh, I love it at night.